Welcome to TVLiftCabinet.com. Today I'm going to speak with you about our Crystal Point Swivel TV Lift Cabinet features, conveniences, styling, and engineering qualities. One of the first things people notice is the beautiful finish and high-quality details, such as the intricate moldings and hand-carved quarter-round posts. The Crystal Point Swivel features alderwood solids with mahogany accents in the door panels that are hand-selected for beauty and character. But it's the hidden features that truly separates TVLiftCabinet.com from their competitors. Let's take a closer look at some of these key features so you have a clear understanding of the full range of design and engineering qualities we consistently deliver. The built-in electric swivel mechanism allows you to swivel your TV a full 360 degrees, allowing you to view the TV from anywhere within the room. The built-in IR system consists of a factory-installed front and rear receiver eye and interior emitters. Simply place your equipment behind an emitter in the drawers and use your existing remote controls as though the doors were open. Finally, you get to control your equipment without opening and closing doors every time you want to use the equipment. Our heavy-duty swivel rack and pinion lift has been in service for more than 10 years and is considered one of the finest in the industry. Not only has it been recognized by Underwriters Laboratories, but it is rated for more than 17 years of use. Mounting your TV to the lift could not be easier. Simply take a few measurements and install the two supplied mounting bolts through the lift and into your TV. The television is now secure and ready for years of use. On board the lift is an electrical outlet that powers your TV and two HDMI outlets that are pre-wired to the two drawers below. Simply plug your components into the surge protector and the pre-wired HDMI cables. The cabinet has ventilation slots placed in exact locations, allowing your equipment to run at proper temperatures. Standard equipment such as cable boxes and DVD players can produce significant heat during use. If the furniture housing them is not well ventilated, their life can be cut dramatically. We have integrated easy-to-access wire management channels throughout the cabinet. This allows you to run your cables from one compartment to the next and from the compartments to the back exit holes on the cabinet. All wires can now be neatly bundled, easily run, and most importantly, out of sight. All of our cabinets ship fully assembled, and free white glove in-home delivery is always included with your purchase. Now that you've seen some of the friendly features we have designed into the Crystal Point Swivel TV Lift Cabinet, simply click Add to Cart and your cabinet will be delivered by our professional delivery service in 7 to 10 business days. We look forward to you becoming part of the TVLiftCabinet.com family.